patience, be a long-term investor, be prepared financially and psychologically to live through a series of bull markets and bear markets, because in the long run, common stocks will pay off enormously.
So in all my presentations, I read some of his most famous quotes because it's a really good reminder of how he thought about the markets. The first is, bull markets are born on pessimism, grow on skepticism, mature on optimism, and die on euphoria. The time of maximum pessimism is the best time to buy, and the time of maximum optimism is the best time to sell. A major cause of higher prices is simply higher prices. But when the trend is reversed, lower prices lead to still lower prices.
To buy when others are despondently selling and to sell when others are avidly buying requires the greatest fortitude and pays the greatest reward.
An investor who has all the answers doesn't even understand the questions. People are always asking me where the outlook is good, but that's the wrong question. The right question is, where's the outlook most miserable?
We never know when it will change. Each day we buy that thing that is most depressed in price, and eventually most of them recover. But we never know. We have to hold things very patiently. Average holding period of 5 years in order to profit from buying things at the right time.
If you want to have better performance than the crowd, you must do things differently from the crowd.
The right time to buy shares in a common stock fund, or when most people are not doing it.
Hi, it's John Templeton. It's a beautiful day in Tennessee, and I'm sitting here enjoying my new copy of Value Investing Simplified by Cayden Chang. It's a great book. I hope you pick up a copy and enjoy it yourself.